You are watching Radicon. Okay, now that you have an idea of electromagnetic radiation and their different types, we can narrow down our discussion to ionizing radiation, which are relevant to our medical or radiology practice. Ionizing radiation are divided into directly ionizing charged particles or indirectly ionizing neutral particles. For the sake of radiation protection, we will discuss only indirectly ionizing radiation comprising neutral particles such as photons and neutrons. It helps to narrow down our discussion to the most relevant part. In the discussion of ionizing neutral particle radiation, we have four subtypes: characteristic X-rays, Bremsstrahlung, gamma rays, and ionization quantum. As you must have guessed, focus of our discussion and radiation protection is the first type, which is characteristic X-rays, which result from electronic transition between the atomic cells.